Welcome to our tutorial on adjusting your LinkedIn settings to let organizations know when you visited their pages. This feature is particularly useful for professionals who want to engage more transparently with companies they're interested in. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu that appears. After that, find the Visibility section and tap on it to open more options. Now, find and select Page Visit Visibility. Finally, toggle the option to allow organizations to see when you visit their LinkedIn page. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled organizations to see when you visit their LinkedIn pages. This can enhance your professional visibility and networking opportunities. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.